Welcome to HT Sweets UK Limited. We are the supplier of high-quality slush, popcorn, ice cream, snow cone, hot dog and candy floss machines as well as all their parts. Visit our website to get machines, all their parts and accessories. In this video, we will learn how to change gearbox of GBG Granicream Slush machine. First, carefully open the screws of evaporator support cover and back panel. Then cut the wire grip and remove the supply line. Remove the slush adjustment spring and pull out the gear motor. Place the new motor carefully. And check the click sound of switches shown in video. Plug in the supply line. And place the slush adjustment spring back. Grip the wires back tightly and carefully. That's all how you can change gear motor at home. Fix the evaporator support cover back and place the back panel and gently tighten the screw. Thanks for watching video. Kindly like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon to get our latest videos.